Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with PayPal. Now a common mistake people make is when they want to buy Robux with PayPal, they come here to payment methods and they're trying to add a payment method right here. But this is only usually for credit or debit cards, not the other payment options. So I'm going to show you just how you can use PayPal, okay guys? Look, just come and click on this Robux icon, just click on this and click on buy Robux, okay guys? Just click on that, and once this page loads up, you want to select the package you want to buy, of course. So I will pick this one, $10 for 800 Robux. I'll pick this one, and now we're gonna see a bunch of different payment options we can choose from. There's credit card, debit card, now here, PayPal, pop. Just click on this, and I'm gonna exit that quickly because then you're gonna see my PayPal email. But basically, what happens is they take you to the PayPal login page. You just log into your PayPal, and you can complete your purchase that way. It's literally that easy and simple. And PayPal just sent me a verification code on my phone. So yeah, they want me to log in, but of course for the video I cannot share that. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.